Okay, so we have finished creating our concept. As you can see, our concept is not that clean. I know some of you will like complain that what kind of tutorial is this? Look at this guy's concept drawing. So I'm sorry, because I'm not a concept artist, so I'm basically a 3D artist, and this is not my job to like create a very clean concept. But as long as you get the idea, like if you're gonna zoom out, like you can see the silhouette, which is the most important part. If you are 3D modeling, you should focus on the silhouette over here. So it helps me to like visualize. Like let's say you can see here the wings, which I get the idea here, and I place it over here on the side, and this one it's like a hole here of the shoe, so I replace this thing to this one over here. And yeah, as long as you get the idea. And I also decided to like put this thing at the back here, but it's not visible. The wings here is covering the back part, but later on, once we have creating our blockings, it will guide us through our final high poly. So this part is going to be our hard surface modeling task. Then the body of a shoe will be more organic, because the shape here is, I think we're gonna sculpt this part. Then I think I'm gonna write topology to create the shell of the shoe. And this one as well, we're going to use the hard surface technique here as well, but this is very easy. And this part as well, it's going to be in a hard surface. Well, basically everything will be hard surface, and the base of a shoe will be organic, as well as the tongue over here, and also the shoelaces. And once we have finished creating our blockings, we can now start adding the base materials, like the color of the shoe right here, like the black, red, and yellow, light gray, and a little bit of dark gray, and also the stitches over here. But as you can see, it's not that clean. As long as you get the idea of the colors, it still guided us through our process. Okay, so let's start creating our blockings. So I already opened Blender over here, and let's get started.